Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will be assembling the front suspension, so I'm gonna press all the bushes in and we go from there. The other thing is I want to show you guys about some other parts I received from the power coating. I just want to share with you guys that honestly, power coating is just satisfaction. It's like an addiction. The more you get parts power coated, the more you just want to do everything. So here are some of the stuff I've done last week. They came up really good. I think that's about it. I think I'm not going to send any more, except the front radiator support. Anyway, let's press all the bushes and we go from there. Alright guys, so now everything is pressed in. They're ready to be assembled. The thing that I forgot to mention earlier when I was pressing the bushes, now the lower control arm bush, the inner bushes, now they are really hard to get. So when I search for MS85 inner lower control arm bushes, there was nothing, but I realized MS 111, 112, 123, they all share the same lower control arm bushes. So if you can't find them, just search for MS 111 or 112 or just early 80s. They're all the same. Alright guys, so the insulator, which is the plastic bits that sits on the top of the springs, is actually still here. I didn't take it off. So we're gonna just use the existing one. guys, so the control arms are done, the springs are done as well. What mistake I did was putting the front knuckle left to right, which was hard getting them off without chipping them, so there's a few chips here and there. It doesn't matter, I guess it happens. So the next parts will be putting the front strut brace on. Again, I'll be using Super Pro. I use the factory bumps, stub bumps. Just had to paint them. They came up alright. I can't buy them, so that's why I had to use the old ones. They still alright. Yeah, so we go from there now. Alrighty guys, so the strut braces are on. So I just put them the way that when I took them, so I measure them. Look, I'm sure when the car goes to wheel alignment they have to adjust everything, so I haven't tightened everything completely yet, so I'm gonna go through them again. But yeah, when they do the wheel alignments, they're gonna go through everything because I'm sure none of it is correct. Now, so that's how they look. Alright, so next I'll be putting the sway bar. So again, I'll be using the Super Pro brand for the linkage, but for the stabilizer bushes I couldn't find Super Pro brand, so I had to get the genuine one, and that's the part number there. Alright, let's see how it goes. Alrighty, now that we've done the sway bar, it's time to put the steering rack assembly. Now, I went ahead and assembled the tie rods. So just remember, when you take them off, measure them, so it makes the life easier when you put them back. So you got the tie rod sleeve or arm, and then you get your tie rods. Now, there's only one way you can put those in. One of them get tied in left thread, one of them right. So I start with the shorter part. So they just go left thread, and then I've got the other bit. Alrighty, I went ahead and assembled the idler arm and the steering rack. Nothing has been tightened yet. I just wanted to see how they sit. Look, even though I took photos, it was hard to get it right because of the shape of the steering rack. I wasn't sure if that shape will actually facing toward the firewall or the other side. Anyway, it's okay now, so just make sure to take a lot of photos when you take things off. It makes it a lot easier. Alrighty guys, so the front suspension is all done. So next I'll be working on the front hub, so the whole bearing and the hub assembly, so bearing, seal, whatever it needs, and then we're gonna do the front and rear brakes so we can put the wheels on. At least I can roll the car around. So just gonna wrap up this video for today. I hope you liked what we've done on the car. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.